Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cannoli filling, easy method. Strain ricotta through cheesecloth until mostly dry to prevent soggy shells. Beat ricotta with powdered sugar and a splash of vanilla for smooth sweetness. Fold in mini chocolate chips or candied orange peel gently to keep air in the mix. Chill the filling for at least 30 minutes so flavors meld and texture firms for easy piping. Gather whole milk ricotta, powdered sugar, vanilla, and optional mix-ins like mini chocolate chips or candied orange peel. Measure ingredients so you can adjust sweetness and texture quickly. Keep a small amount of cream or mascarpone ready to loosen the filling if it becomes too stiff. Use quality vanilla and fresh zest for the best aroma. Chill your bowl and tools briefly for a smoother, fluffier final filling before assembling cannoli shells. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings your kitchen to life with voice timers, playlist control, and fun cooking tips while you bake. It's small, affordable, and handy when you're juggling bowls and a whisk. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Strain ricotta in cheesecloth sitting in a bowl for at least 1 hour to remove moisture. Transfer to a chilled bowl and beat with powdered sugar and vanilla until silky and lump-free. Taste and adjust sweetness, or add a tablespoon of mascarpone if needed for richness. Fold in mini chips or candied peel gently. Pipe the chilled filling into shells right before serving so shells stay crisp and textures contrast beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.